Hello children, welcome back to the Acknowledge series by Amit Publishing House. I am Vandana and we are doing book 4. This is the cover page of your book, English Grammar plus Skills Unleashed workbook. So today we are going to do chapter 8 and the name of the chapter is Nouns Gender. Let's begin with the chapter. We have already learned about gender in our previous classes. We are going to learn some new topics under this. So first topic is masculine and feminine gender. Look at the pictures and read the sentences. So here we can see two pictures are there. Mother and the girl is sitting here and the father and the boy is playing here. The girl is sitting on a bench. She is with her mother. So यहाँ पे गर्ल बैठी है बेंच पे और वो अपनी मम्मी के साथ है. The boy is playing with a ball. He is playing with his father. So boy जो है बॉल के साथ है, खेल रहा है और वो उसके father उसके साथ खेल रहे. So here in the above sentences, girl and mother are feminine gender. So यहाँ पे girl और mother जो है वो feminine gender है and boy and father are masculine gender. यहाँ पे boy और father जो है ये masculine gender है, जिसे हम in our smaller classes हम feminine gender को female कहते थे and masculine gender को male कहते थे. But now we are, as I told you, you are grown up, so we should learn these terms. Masculine means the male and feminine means the female. Nouns that stand for male are said to be in a masculine gender and nouns that stand for females are said to be in feminine gender. So males के बारे में बात करेंगे तो it is called masculine gender और females के बारे में बात करेंगे तो it is called feminine gender. Look at these masculine, feminine gender for people. So लोगों के लिए हम कौन सा masculine और feminine gender use करते हैं? Let's see. Actor, actress, emperor, empress, gentleman becomes lady, grandson, granddaughter, master, mistress, son, daughter, brother, sister, father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, headmaster, headmistress, nephew becomes niece, and uncle becomes aunt. Look at these masculine and feminine nouns for male and female animals. Now we are going to learn about animals. उसमें भी male और female होते हैं animals में, हमें पता है. So let's see what is the feminine of the given masculine. Cock या फिर rooster, इसका female होता है hen. Bull, cow, dog, bitch, drake, duck, fox, vixen, gander, goose, lion, lioness, tiger, tigress. Now formation of feminine gender, formation कैसे इसकी हम form करते हैं इसे? By changing the spelling or little and adding ESS. So कुछ जो masculine gender है उनकी spelling को थोड़ा बहुत change कर देते हैं, उसमें बस ESS लगा देते हैं तो ये feminine बन जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वेटर की स्पेलिंग में आर आ रहा था और आर के बाद हमने ESS लगाया तो वेट्रेस बन गया. हंटर का हंट्रेस हो गया, प्रीस्ट प्रीस्टेस हो गया, लायन लायनेस, एम्परर एम्प्रेस, प्रिंस प्रिंसेस, पोएट पोएटेस. सो वी हैव टू वॉच इट केयरफुली. क्या चेंज किया हमने? ड्यूक, डचेस. अब यहाँ पे देखो KE लिखा है बट हमने यहाँ पे CH कर दिया. तो डचेस, shepherd, shepherdess, giant, giantess, tiger, tigress, heiress, god, goddess, and host becomes hostess. By replacing one part of the compound word. So किसी भी एक compound word क्या होते हैं? दो words को मिला के हम जब जोड़ते हैं वो compound word कहलाता है और उनको replace करके हमने कुछ और बना दिया. जैसे कि ग्रैंड और फादर दो अलग अलग वर्ड्स हैं, इन्हें हमने जोड़ के ग्रैंडफादर बना दिया. सो ग्रैंडफादर बिकम्स ग्रैंडमदर, ग्रैंडसन ग्रैंडडॉटर, स्टेपफादर स्टेपमदर, ब्रदर इन लॉ सिस्टर इन लॉ, हेडमास्टर हेडमिस्ट्रेस, पीकॉक पीहन, landlord, landlady, man servant becomes maid servant. Now quickly let's do some exercise, book exercise. Write the masculine gender of the following. So यहाँ फेमिनाइन दिए हुए हैं, इनके मास्कुलिन हमें बनाने हैं. So mother becomes father, sister becomes brother, queen, king, hen, cock, or we can say rooster also. Cow becomes bull, lioness becomes lion, mare becomes horse, and the next one is bitch becomes dog. So these are the answers, these are the masculine gender of the given feminine children. Now let's do the B exercise. Rewrite the following sentences using opposite gender. The man saw a lion in the forest. So what we have to do, यहाँ पे कुछ sentences दिए हैं, इसमें हमें जो words है उनके gender change करके लिखने हैं. So I am going to just underline and write down the answer, but you have to write the whole answer again. दोबारा से लिखना है पूरा. The man saw a lion in the forest. तो man का बन जाएगा woman, and lion will become lioness. So what will be the correct answer? Answer is the woman. आपको ऐसे लिखना है. The woman saw a lioness in the forest. Okay, you have to write it like this. Okay, my aunt gave me a gift on my birthday, so aunt will become uncle. Mother loved her daughter very much, so mother will become father, and daughter will become son. Grandfather told bedtime stories to his grandson, so grandfather will become grandmother. And grandson will become granddaughter. Done, children? Now, fifth question is, dutiful son served his father in his old age. So, son will become daughter and father will become mother here. The host welcomed the guest. So, host will become hostess. Now, the waitress served me a cup of tea. So, waitress will become waiter. Brother helped his sister at the hour of need. Brother becomes sister. And sister becomes brother here. We have interchanged. So, these are the answers, dear children. Let's note it down quickly, so that we can move to the next exercise. Okay, children, here the next topic is common gender. Look at these sentences. Some sentences are given here. The child is crying loudly and the student is knocking at the door. बच्चा रो रहा है तेज से और एक स्टूडेंट है वो डोर पे नॉक कर रहा है, खटखटा रहा है. So in the above sentences, the word child and student are common gender. ये जो ऊपर जो सेंटेंस दिए हैं इसमें जो चाइल्ड वर्ड है और जो स्टूडेंट वर्ड है वो एक कॉमन जेंडर है. क्यों है? We cannot say whether these words have been used for male or female. तो जब हमें ये ना पता चले कि किसी मेल की बात हो रही है या फीमेल की बात हो रही है तो हम उसे कॉमन जेंडर कहते हैं. जैसे यहाँ पे चाइल्ड की बात हो रही है, चाइल्ड मतलब बच्चा, बच्चा एक लड़की भी हो सकता है और लड़का भी हो सकता है. सो हमें यहाँ नहीं पता कि गर्ल चाइल्ड रो रही है या बॉय चाइल्ड रो रहा है. So that's why child is common gender here. ऐसे student can be a girl or a boy. Only living things have common gender. जो living things जीवित हैं वही common gender होते हैं. Nouns that can be used for both male and females are said to be of the common gender. Noun जो both male और female के बारे में बताते हैं उन्हें हम common gender कहते हैं. Now look at the list of common genders given in the box. Student, parent, child, announcer, player, doctor, baby, anchor, pupil, reporter, cousin, friend, companion, person, actor, grandparent, artist, cook, tutor या फिर organizer. यहाँ जितने भी words दिए गए हैं इनमें से आप नहीं बता सकते एक बॉय डॉक्टर की बात हो रही है या फिर एक गर्ल डॉक्टर की, एक फीमेल डॉक्टर की बात हो रही है, मेल डॉक्टर की, एक फीमेल कजन की बात हो रही है, मेल कजन की बात हो रही है. तो जितने भी वर्ड्स यहाँ पे दिए गए हैं दीज ऑल आर कॉमन genders. So let's children do the given exercise. We have to underline in the common genders. Common gender को हमें यहाँ पे underline करना है. Okay, the first question is a dentist treated her teeth. तो यहाँ पे डेंटिस्ट की बात हो रही है. डेंटिस्ट मेल भी हो सकता है और फीमेल भी हो सकता है. So we are underlining dentist. A teacher is in the staff room. So your teacher can be a male or female. My cousin read the party late. So cousin male या फिर female दोनों हो सकते हैं. People raise their voice against crime. People में मेल भी हो सकते हैं और फीमेल भी हो सकते हैं. So we are underlining people here. The master helped his servant. अब यहाँ पे दो वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं मास्टर और सर्वेंट, बट यहाँ पे मास्टर एक मेल वर्ड है, मास्टर का मिस्ट्रेस होगा, बट यहाँ पे सर्वेंट नहीं लिखा हुआ है कि ये मेल है या फीमेल. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर अंडरलाइनिंग सर्वेंट हियर. Now, has your tutor not taught you in the 4th chapter? So here we are talking about tutor. Teacher की बात हो रही है. Male है, female है, we don't know. So we have underlined tutor here. So I hope children you have understood common gender. Now the next gender is neuter gender. So here we are going to first read the following sentences. The house is very big. And the book is on the table. यहाँ पे house जो है highlighted है, and book and table highlighted है. In the given sentences, the noun house, book, table are non-living thing. ये जीवित नहीं है. House सांस नहीं ले सकता, book और table भी सांस नहीं ले सकते. ये लिविंग थिंग नहीं है. सो दैट्स व्हाई दे आर कॉल्ड न्यूट्रल जेंडर. तो जो जिंदा नहीं है उसे हम न्यूट्रल जेंडर कहते हैं. नाउन्स दैट आर यूज्ड फॉर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स आर सेड टू बी ऑफ द न्यूट्रल जेंडर. वो नाउन जो नॉन लिविंग है, जो जीवित नहीं है, उन्हें हम न्यूट्रल जेंडर कहते हैं. हियर सर्कल द नाउन्स दैट बिलोंग टू द न्यूट्रल जेंडर इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. सेंटेंस दिए हैं. लेट्स circle the nouns. We have to circle the nouns here. So the chair is made of wood. Chair एक non-living thing है, so we are going to circle it. And wood is also a non-living thing, so we are going to circle it. We have a car and a scooter. Car is non-living thing and scooter also. My pen has no ink. Pen is non-living and ink is also non-living. All the books are in the bag. Books is non-living and bag is also non-living. The hungry dog barked when it saw the bones on the plate. So यहाँ पे dog जो है living thing है, इसलिए इसे हमें बिल्कुल भी नहीं छूना है. Next bones non-living thing है, इसलिए हमने इसे circle कर दिया, और plate भी non-living thing, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे इसे circle कर दिया. So these are the neuter gender children. Now you have to color masculine gender in green, feminine in red, and neuter in orange, and common in pink. So children, I am using only red color, but I will write down green masculine, red is feminine, orange is neuter, and pink is common. So I am using only red marker, but I have written, I will write down the initial. It's your homework that you have to color the book accordingly. Whatever is given in the question, you have to color it accordingly. So यहाँ पे waiter की बात हो रही है. Waiter कोई भी हो सकता है, male या फिर female. So we are talking about what type of gender? Common gender. So waiter is C. Here we are writing C for common. Or should I write the color? I am writing down the color here. We are doing pink color here. So do pink color here. Next is heroine. Heroine is a feminine. So feminine in red. So you have to do this red. Next member. Member कोई भी हो सकता है, जीवित है. So it is common. Again it is pink. Next dentist. Dentist कोई भी हो सकता है, मेल या फिर फीमेल. So वो हो गया common. And common in pink. Bench. Bench is a non-living thing. So it is orange. Artist is a living person. But यहाँ नहीं लिखा है कि वो male है या female. So we are writing pink here. Pink is to be done here. Next bull. Bull is a masculine gender. So we are writing green here. Duck. Duck is a feminine gender. So red. Cow. Cow is also a feminine gender. So red. Niece. So niece is a feminine gender. So red. Drake. Drake is a masculine gender. Green. Paper. Paper is non-living thing. So it is neuter gender, then it is orange. Book is non-living thing, orange. Salesman, man लिखा हुआ है, so it is masculine, so green. Milkmaid, maid लिखा है, इसका मतलब ये feminine है, तो red. Uniform, uniform कोई भी dress जो हम पहनते हैं, non-living thing है. So we are going to write orange. Master, male है तो green. Child can be any male or female, so it is pink. Animal, animal जो है कोई भी animal हो सकता है. So we are writing, this is also common gender, so pink. And the last one, wood. Wood जो है non-living thing है. So we are going to write here orange. I have written these, but you have to color according to the given code here, color code here. I hope you have understood, children. Now next exercise. Write opposite gender of the following nouns in the given puzzle. So yes, a puzzle is given. We have to write down the opposite of these. So niece becomes nephew. Husband becomes wife. Emperor becomes empress. Hen becomes stag. And lady becomes gentleman. So children, I hope you have completed this. So children, this was all for today, and we have learned in this chapter about different genders. There are total 4 types of genders that we have learned in this chapter. First was the masculine gender, which we also call as male. Next, feminine gender, which we call as female. Next, common gender, which means it can be male or female, but it should be a non-living thing. And the last one is neuter gender, which means non-living thing. So, I hope that you have understood the chapter very well. I want you to do more exercises. You have to search more exercises related to it and complete them, so that you can learn many new things. So, children, I'll be waiting for you in the next video. Till then, stay little.